Hello, hello, all my yarny friends. It's Teresa with Critters Crochet, and it is week 3 of Battle of the Stitches. It is reveal week. Did you guess? Did you get the right thing? Did you guess the right item? I made a fan lace headband, and I don't have it on me because in case one of you guys win it, I don't think you want it on after. I don't think you want all my hair in this headband if you choose to win, if you want to win my headband. But I love this. I love how the fan lace works for this headband. It's super cute. I just did a 1 row repeat. I just did the or I just did rows 1 through 5 one time to make the width of the headband, and I made chains on the ends in each corner. I attached the yarn in each corner and made chains for the tie in the back. So there's the headband. I think it turned out really cute and I love it. So just a little bit of info. This is a real quick, super short 2 to 3 minute video. After this video, I will have the video posted for the tutorial. So make sure you watch the tutorial video as well if you want to learn how to make this headband. And so what I need you guys to do, this is the third Wednesday. Let me get her positioned where you can really see that pretty lace. There you go. Since this is the third Wednesday, let me put her up on here. Maybe you can see it better. That's a little bit better. Since this is the third Wednesday, what you'll need to do is I want you to watch my reveal video and then my tutorial. Head over to Heather at Strings and Threads, watch her tutorial and her reveal video, and then watch Brittany over at For the Love of Reading, watch and crochet, watch her video and to see what she made and watch her tutorial. Once you've watched our videos, head over to Heather's channel, and what I'm going to do, she's going to have today, at some point today, she is going to have a voting poll on her community tab where you can go over there after you watch all 3 videos and you can vote for whose project with the fan lace that you like the most. Also, underneath that, once you vote, leave a comment, because if you just mark your vote, we don't know who voted. But leave a comment so we know who voted, because what we're going to do, Heather's going to take your name of all that leave a comment under the voting poll. Heather's going to put your name in a little spinner wheel, and then next Wednesday, which would be the 24th, I believe, we will be going live at 2 p.m. Central on Critters Crochet. Heather and Brittany will be joining me, and we are going to let you know whose project got the most votes, and then Heather's going to spin that wheel, and one lucky person is going to get to pick one of the 3 projects that they would like for a prize. So make sure if you want to be in that drawing that you leave a comment underneath the voting poll, and I will have the voting poll. I will have it linked in the description box so that you can click right on that and go right to the voting poll. If I fail to forget, because I'm doing this early and I won't be able to put the voting poll into the description box until that Wednesday, and I'll be at camp. So I'm hoping I remember to do that. But in case I don't, you just head over to Heather's at Strings and Threads. Her link to her channel will be in the description box. I know for sure. You can click on her link to her channel and head right over there and go to her community tab and you'll see it. So, and also we want to see projects that you're making with the fan lace stitch over on our Facebook page. So if you made something, head over to our Facebook page, Battle of the Stitches, and post a picture of what you made with the fan lace stitch. I just love this stitch. I think it's so, so pretty. So I'm going to get off of here, and I can't wait to see what you guys make. I'm excited to see how the voting goes on this stitch, and I'm going to head over and watch and see what Heather and what Brittany has made. So watch these, cast your votes, and here in a few minutes, stay tuned, head over, and also watch my tutorial if you want to learn how to make this headband. Talk to you later. Bye, guys.